Greetings and wishes to Now Trend TV viewers. As we all know, the COVID-19 keeps expanding and the world is also being in an unstable condition too. But at the same time, due to some innovations and inventions, the COVID-19 is somewhat controlled and the time goes up and up. So today we are going to see about one of the new gadget device or use of technology for this COVID-19 pandemic and its cause. Come on, let's know about it. UVET, a sterilizing pocket emptier that mainly uses the UV rays as its principle and sanitizes the everyday objects. But most of them do not know much about the UV rays. So come on, let's now have a quick introduction about it. UV rays, which is known as ultraviolet rays. It's a dangerous rays too, and it is of three types, which is known as UVA, UVB and at last UVC. Let's know about UVA. It's one of the dangerous one, and it makes the vast majority of UV radiation in reaching our Earth's surface. UVB, it is one harmful one for our skin, and it damages mainly our skin DNA and also leads to sunburn and skin cancer. Let's know about the third type, UVC. It is quite different from those of the other two types. It consists of a shorter, more energetic wavelength of light. It's good at destroying genetic material, whether it is human also in the viral particles. Now come on, let's check it out. UVET, which is a sterilizing pocket emptier device that uses UV rays to sanitize everyday objects. But what type of objects does it sanitize? Come on, let's check it out. The keys, coins, banknotes, wallets is much dangerous to be easily infected by COVID-19 by others' contact. So to disinfect to limit the risk of infection with COVID, the device is used. This pocket emptier is equipped with a UVC lamp that has the ability to eliminate viruses and bacteria. Researchers at American University has shown that continuous emission of UVC lamp light that can decontaminate everyday objects in seconds and make up a complete safety for human beings. Come on, let's know about its design. The design of the UVET is very similar to that of a lamp or an ordinary pocket emptier with a lid. Also, the lower part is made up of a colored aluminum and it serves as a container. The upper part is made of UVC lamp. Also, it has space and drawer-like structure for inserting the devices such as smartphones, small electronic devices and other such devices. That's all about its design. Come on, let's know about its function and working. Its function is quite simple. A motion sensor is placed on the upper shell, which automatically opens the emptying packet when we approach it. Also, when we work in such a way, we use this without our contact and others' contact. So the risk of touching and contaminating the virus is much less here. After inserting of devices and objects, the sterilization process starts automatically when the lamp is closed. It takes only few minutes for this process or operation. The LED light in it automatically lights up at the end of the operation. The sterilizing packet emptier is now only a prototype one, and it is much useful in the preventing in spread of COVID-19 through all small gadgets and electronic devices. Also, there are many other innovations and inventions which are useful in COVID-19 pandemic and keep it in somewhat in our control too. We hope that you know something useful and world's innovative news through this video. To be always engaged like this, don't forget to subscribe our channel and also share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and keep supporting us.